Hello everyone, this is the step 2 of our step 2, which is the simple program that insert data. We need to click the folder and then Java and Java application and then your project name. Our project name is insert_data and finish, and you need to uncheck the create main class. And the source package, default package, new Java class, and create your name, your class name, and our class name is insert_data. And we need to clear that up and we good. Next is, first is we need to import a connection, import prepared statement, need to import import the import is, it declares a Java class to use in the code below the important statement. So next is the import java.sql driver manager. Then next is import java.swing.jOptionPane. And next we need to the public static void main. It means by which you create a main method within the Java application. So next, public static void main, then string argument, then argument. Oops, kulang. No, it's kulang the parenthesis. Oh, hi, sorry, I have a wrong here. Yeah, and then connection my connect equals null. The next is the kung saang mag-pop up sa dialog. J option that show message dialog. Show message dialog, null, and welcome to my video. To my video. You guys, why do you need JOptionPane? JOptionPane, it makes it easy to pop up an standard box that prompts user to a value. It informs them of something. So, makita niyo na dito, guys, ganong need yun na to ang JOptionPane. So, sunod ana is, oops, na-save ko. Save ko. Musba. Input string URL username and password and the Java class, a driver class. Oh my gosh. So guys, pwede po ninyo ni siyang if kanang mo mag-type, pwede ni siyang string URL, string username, string password nga magsunod-sunod. Pero I find this clean man, so muni akong gigamit. And the password and that, and then driver class equals none. So sunod mo ni siya guys, mo yung naghimo tani is for i-connect natin siya sa itong may SQL. So ni mong buhaton, pislito ni mo ng murag arrow sa libraries nga part, and then right click libraries and add jar folder, and then among make SQL connectors nas video nga folder, so may SQL, then open, and done na tayo may SQL connector, then arita diri na siya i-download guys. So you need to type ka ng MySQL connector, and then kanang na i-download name pasiton, and then mag platform independent, and then kanang ikaduha which is kanang na-zip kana mo na siya i-download, and be good. Di pa na ko siya makita rin ni ron guys kung saan siya pag connect. Si Maricel na part ang mag-connect ani sa kuan sa database. So yeah. So first we need to create a database. Kaya wa pa tayo database. So ang ibutang na to diha is create database. Create database. Database, insert data ang amo ang database. And then use database, insert data. And then sunod is we need to create a table. Yup, create table. Data underscore table. Nandira is ID. Ang ID is int na siya guys because it is a number. And then sunod ana is the name. Varchar. Then address. Varchar na siya because it is a character. It's not it's character. And then the last one is the zip underscore code insert int and varchar int, and that's our table in our database. We need to show our tables, and this is our table, the data underscore table. Sunod is you need to describe our table, so describe data underscore table. Yay, it's our table. And next is go back to the NetBeans to string j option string id equals j option j option wala yan j option that show input dialog, and then null, and then diyan natin ibutang kung unsay mo ganahan makita ang pop up sa kuan sa unsay mo ganahan mo pop mo prompt pa itong mabutang sa dialog box. So muna siya kaning enter your school ID. And then padayon na sila hantod sa imong zip code, mo ra na sila. J option that show input dialog, and please enter your name. Yes, hantod mag-abot sa zip code. Mag J option atong gamit dira guys kay mamugo na siya. J option it makes it easy to pop up a standard dialog box that prompts user for a value that it informs them of something. So klaro kay ano gud ay show input kani nga dialog i-show. So yeah, that's why J option. So next guys, kanang pag-connect then dito sa try and catch, si Maricel na ang ana ato. So yan ato nga part. So next na, padayon tani nga video. Dahil na ta sa string zip underscore code equals null, and then please enter your city's zip code. Then we're good. So next is Maricel na. Thank you.
Hello everyone, good day. Welcome back to the video series in merging the object-oriented continuation. And now let's perform try block. So all we need to do is to try to connect on database. So in your connection it will output here. So now try to connect by using this one, the my connect object. So have my connect is equal to driver manager dot get connection. So to have three parameters, so we have to pass the URL, the username, and the password. And now we need to perform the query statement. So first is to create a variable string that holds the insert query, and perform the query command insert into what particular table in a database. So you can use this one and copy and paste it here. We can describe student, so we can insert from ID. So insert IDs into student and define the class definition or table design. So first is the enroll by the name, the address, and then the zip code. And make sure that what is inside or the name of convention of all the call is the failed name. It's actually the same date time. So next we need the prepared statement class. So we use that one so that we can perform a statement in the database. PS is equal to my connect that prepared statement insert query, and close parenthesis and semicolon. So that's it. We have now our prepared statement. The next thing that we need to work out is the data that we can pass into or in our question mark here. So will be the data that we need to input, so that and we can just use our object my ps and that use set okay end, because as you can see that the first column id it is an integer, so that's why we need to put it here integer that we can have like, and the k is number because that is the first item in our statement 1, and don't want a value, so you can just sit here into 0. And this is the number 2 question that represented into the name. So name is also worker in the string, so we can have this is the key is true, and we can set it for now for example. About the third value for our insert query, and it is intended for the address. For example, it is also a string my ps that is set string, and we can have the third because it is the third question mark to value for the example it is okay. And then for the fourth one my ps that set string for the fourth k value. And okay, so we can have now the value for our statement. Okay, so we have setting of the value for the insert query, because or we need to utilize our initialize the query, so meaning making it happen. So what happened, we will use this object again and then have to use the execute update. Okay, when it is done, we can close our connection, which is our my connect that we don't have open connection. We need to close after working with some queries. Close. So I think that we will work. So what will happen, I will run this program, and then if there's nothing error, we can check on the database by using the select all from and system out that print line it that get message. So if ever there are an error, okay, once it is done, we can close our connection, which is our my connect that we don't have open connection. We need to close after working with some queries. Close. So I think that will work. So what will happen, I will run this program, and then if there's nothing error, we can check on the database by using select all from student. Okay, so in our database, so back up again. Back up, all we need to do is to save everything that we had already. Click this one and make sure we are save our file, and we save our file here, and so copy open file explorer. Okay, so on the address bar, paste that once. It is pasted. Okay, so next, and paste the project. All we need to do is here open again and change um change your MySQL name into your database name. So paste it here and connect and highlights, delete, and next. Highlights and Next again. Click this one and choose properties and click this one, copy and back and paste it here. And your username is root, password, and class. Click here, properties, and click copy and back and paste it here. Okay, so let's try to run this. Click OK. Wait the result. Okay, and enter. Okay, please enter your school ID, your full name, your home address, your zip code, and okay, and build successfully. And go back to the G option again. Put your ID number, your full name, your address, and your zip code. And go to your MySQL, and as you can see here, you can see your G option here, your ID, your name, address, and zip code. And let's go back here again. Let's put welcome to my video and enter your full name, your home address, enter your zip code, and go back here again in your MySQL and select from data table. And here, my full name and my address and my zip code. And it works. That's all. Thank you.